This is a video about how to throw garbage in South Korea. Please don't be surprised because the answer to this question is very important and necessary for many Chinese people. This is a day of ours in South Korea.
The seasoning package is contaminated, belongs to general waste. The uneaten instant noodles belong to food waste. Used disposable chopsticks usually belong to general waste. An empty instant noodle bucket belong to general waste. Empty plastic bottles belong to recyclable waste. In Korean restaurants, you need to sort garbage by yourself after finishing the meal. The uneaten French fries are food waste. Food packaging bags are general waste.
We usually buy a drink and hold it in our hands, then go shopping with friends. Hanging out with friends on the street is a really relaxing and delightful thing. But quite often, we can't help facing a trouble. That is, where should we throw the empty coffee cup after finishing the drink? For this reason, we have summarized 6 methods. First, throw it into the trash cans in the subway station. Second, throw it in the toilet on the subway, but this may result in a fine, so it's better not to do so. Third, see where Koreans throw their garbage and then throw ours together with theirs. We need to find places on the street where there are coffee cups having a party, and then let the coffee cup in our hands join them. Fourth, enter a Korean store. There is usually a place near the entrance of Korean stores to put drinks. We put our drink there, walk in, and wander around. But when we come out, we pretend to forget about our coffee cup. Fifth, finish drinking coffee in the coffee shop and don't take it away. The last method, when you go out, please carry a garbage bag with you. South Korea practices a strict garbage classification system, and trash cans are seldom seen on the streets. This has many good advantages. For example, waste classification at the source is accurate, leading to a high resource utilization rate. Secondly, the environmental load is reduced. However, there are also some inconveniences. The burden on citizens will increase and convenience will decline. Secondly, the management cost is transferred to citizens. And finally, it is relatively inconvenient for tourists and elderly.
Why is the answer to the question of how to dispose of garbage in South Korea so crucial for many foreigners? The reason lies in the fact that waste disposal policies vary significantly from country to country. China's current domestic waste classification policy takes the 4-category method as the core. Reasons for policy implementation. 1. Compared with South Korea, China has a larger population base. Therefore, the amount of domestic waste treatment is also very large. 2. The urgent need for resource recycling. 3. The systematic goals of environmental pollution control. 4. The collaborative needs of urbanization and green development. The essence of the difference. China focuses more on solving environmental problems in development, while South Korea emphasizes survival choices under resource constraints. Waste classification promotes the recycling of resources, reduces the pollution of garbage to water resources and the environment. However, there are still some shortcomings. For example, the classification awareness of many citizens is not high. The facilities and management are not perfect, etc.
There is no absolute distinction between good and bad in the waste disposal policies of different countries. It's just a matter of adaptability. I hope we can dispose of waste properly everywhere and be civilized and well-behaved people.